learning some science, some technology, engineering, some art, some mathematics. We love it. It's all about hands-on, minds-on learning here at ILearn Schools. Let's keep it up.
We're explaining robotics and programming to all the kids in here.
The kids learning how to connect all of the electrical elements together.
We are building Legos with different types of motors.
Kids seem to be having a lot of fun making the butterflies.
We're having a lot of fun here because there's so many activities to do, and we just made this. This is so fun.
They are learning a lot about different stations. A lot of science activities are happening right now.
Make things happen!
All you need is some water, clear glue, and your favorite glitter, and some seashells are in there.
Making a recyclable toy car.
Giving instruction as to what we are doing, aquaponics, how it works, and why it benefits the ecosystem as a whole.
My kids grew up in this event since 2015.
I am really thrilled to be able to share a hobby I've had for over 30 years.
Once all the water is out, we dry it, and there's going to be paper made, and what it's going to look like is something like this.
A lot of hands-on activities and many families joining here also.
And first place, Joshua. First place.
It's great coming out to the Makers Fair this year. They got a lot of great booths. A lot of people here too. My kids are here enjoying themselves.
Make things happen!